Hello and welcome, my name is Gracie and today we're going to learn how to calibrate the HR-X1TR probe rack. The first thing you want to do is build two probes for the calibration and testing. I built a 5x20 and a 5x50, and then for each of those you will want to calibrate the tip angles A0B0, A90B0, and A90B90. After that, we're going to make sure our travel rack is set up properly. This port was not, so we are going to move it and evenly space it between the two ports. When getting the port lined up in the machine Y on the rack, you need it to be placed perfectly, so I recommend moving the machine over there and lining the port up with the X1H, especially if you don't have any of the other ports on the machine already. Once that is fully tightened, you can slide the cap back on, and then we will be ready to calibrate. Now that we are set up, we can go to Operation, Calibrate/Edit, Probe Changer. We want to make sure that our active probe changer is the travel rack, probe changer type is the HR-X1TR, and that our docking speed is roughly 25 millimeters per second. We're going to skip the Calibrate tab for now, and we're going to go to Mount Point. We do want to ensure that our A angle is 90 and our B angle is 0. This should be set up by your service team, so if you do get an invalid changer type error, please reach out to them. We're also going to read the machine position. I like to have my probe go to the left of the travel rack, ensuring there's enough space between the probe and the travel rack for a wrist rotation. And then we're going to go to the ports tab. This is where I'm going to change the clearance distance. You need to change it to 40 millimeters before and after pickup for all of the ports, and then I hit apply. Then we're going to go back to the Calibrate tab. I want to ensure my active probe is correct. Right now I have the 5x50 loaded, and then I'm going to select the correct active tip. I'm going to make sure that full calibration is selected, and then I'm going to hit Calibrate. It's going to prompt me to load the 5x50 analog probe, which is already on there, and then it's going to tell me to press OK when ready to move the wrist to tip angle A90B90. I'm going to move it a little out of the way, and then I will hit OK, and it is wrist rotating right now. Then PC-DMIS is going to prompt me to please remove all probes from the ports, and then take a horizontal hit on the flat vertical surface of port 1, which is the top one, near the base where it attaches to the rack. So I hit OK, and now I'm going to drive my probe to take that point. Please make sure that you hit OK before you take the hit point, otherwise it will not register that you have taken the hit point. So I've taken that first hit, and then it prompts me to take a hit on port 4, which is the bottom one. And now here is a close-up of where those hits are being taken at. This first hit is demonstrating a horizontal hit on the vertical surface. And then the next hit is going to demonstrate a vertical hit on the horizontal surface somewhere between the side and the screw. I'm then going to take another vertical hit on the third port. Here it is from the other angle. And then once I take my last hit on port 1, PC-DMIS will tell me to please take a vertical hit on the flat horizontal surface of port 1 anywhere between the edge and the screw hole. When you complete the hit, DCC motion will begin for the rest of the measurement. So once I hit OK after taking this last vertical hit, PC-DMIS will go through and measure the rest of the ports for a full calibration. Now that that is done, it will bring me back to the probe changer dialog box where I am able to hit OK, and then I'm going to go to Operation, Load Active Probe, and I am going to select that because I have the 5x20 probe in my measurement routine, but I have the 5x50 on my wrist right now, so it's gonna go in, it's gonna get super close, it's going to take off the 5x50, and then it will pick up the 5x20. And there you go, that's how you calibrate the HR-X1TR probe rack. Hope this helped.